Welcome to CodeLess Craft, where creativity and technology come together.
Hey. Welcome back, Python learners. You are watching Python Noob to Pro, Part 3, only on CodeLess Craft. I'm Alex.
And I'm Priya. If you are here, that means you have already learned variables, loops, and functions in our last episode. Big applause, seriously.
Absolutely. But now it's time to take that knowledge and go next level. Because today we are talking about data structures, and trust us, this is where real-world Python begins.
Exactly. You learn how to store, manage, and organize information, and then use that to build mini projects. So let's jump in.
Let's start with the most popular and flexible data structure, the list.
A list in Python is like a digital container where you can store multiple values, even of different types. For example, fruits, apple, banana, mango. Print, fruits, 1, output, banana.
Remember, list indexes start at 0, so fruits, 1, gives us banana, not apple.
Lists are ordered, items stay in the same order, changeable, you can add, remove, update items, allow duplicates.
You can even loop through lists, for fruit in fruits. Print, I like, fruit.
This is great for apps like to-do lists, menus, playlists, anything where order matters. Now, let's meet tuples, the more serious, unchangeable cousin of lists coordinates, 10, 20, print, coordinates, 0.
Once you create a tuple, you can't change its contents. That makes it perfect for fixed values, like coordinates, colors, or settings.
And tuples are faster than lists when it comes to performance. So use them when you know the data won't change.
Time for one of my favorites, the dictionary. It's how you store data using key-value pairs. Student, name, Masthan, age, 18, grade, A. Print, student, name.
Here, name, age, and grade are keys, and the rest are their values.
Dictionaries are perfect for structured data, like contact books, quiz questions, settings, and even JSO APIs.
And the best part? You don't have to remember index numbers. You just ask Python, what's the value for this key? Next up, sets, the rebels of the data world example, colors, red, blue, green, blue, print, colors.
Look what happened there. Even though we added blue twice, the set printed it only once.
That's because sets don't allow duplicates. They are great for tasks like removing duplicates from a list, checking unique values, or quick membership tests.
But heads up, sets are unordered. You can't access them by index.
Alright, now that you know the 4 main data structures, let's actually build something. Time to get your hands dirty.
This one uses a dictionary to store questions and answers. For example, questions, what is 2, 4, what is the capital of India, Delhi? For Q in questions, ans input, Q, if ans questions, Q, print, correct. Else, print, wrong.
Boom, you just made an interactive quiz game. Try adding more questions or scoring.
Now a basic to-do list using a list, tasks, append, complete Python lesson, print, to-do, tasks.
You can let the user input tasks with input and loop through them to show what's done.
This one is simple and useful. Store contacts using names as keys. Contacts, mom, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 contacts, dad, 987654321 print, contacts.
You can build this into a searchable phone book or even store data in files later.
Your mission: build your own quiz app using a dictionary with at least 3 questions.
Make sure to include different topics, maybe math, general knowledge, or even Python itself.
Drop your code in the comments or tag us CodeLess Craft on Instagram. We'd love to share your work.
Amazing job today. You just learned how Python stores and manages data, and even used it to build small projects.
These mini projects are the stepping stones to building full apps later. Every Python pro started right here.
In part 4, we will explore file handling, error fixing, and an intro to OP, object-oriented programming.
If you learned something today, make sure to like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe to CodeLess Craft.
Keep coding, keep building. See you in the next one.